cups of flour and
a tablespoon of salt and two
two
teaspoons of baking powder.
Okay.
And half a cup of EVOO.
Got it.
And I always eyeball it most of the time. This is about a half a cup minus. Okay, right there. 2 cups of almost boiling water. And I put a little more than a cup, 2 cups in there. Use a spoon because it's too hot.
Burn your hand. Burn your little pinkies.
Yeah. This is not a low carb recipe.
This is high carb stuff.
This is the starchy stuff.
You could eat this on your cheat day.
Yeah, on your cheat days.
But this is how tortillas were made
Back in the day.
This is how your mom made it.
Mm-hmm.
And your mom was born in what year?
1914.
Wow. 19. And did her mom make it like this?
Probably. I wasn't there.
She didn't tell you.
No.
Oh,
Yeah, my mom taught us to make flour and corn tortillas. And I do flour most of the time. Actually all the time, but I mean corn tortillas once in a
how
while.
often did she make flour or corn?
Every day with 13 kids.
Flour she made every day, but corn?
Both. She made both every day. First thing in the morning.
Wow.
She made a pile of tortillas.
They probably went like crazy.
Well, with all the children, yeah. Went. Okay. Then now you can use my hands. Okay. Make sure you wash your hands first. I usually use my fist because arthritis is setting in. Works just as good. And I'm going to put it in the sink. Make little dough balls like this. It just has to feel right in your hand. For 1 hour. There you go.
I'm gonna have a tortilla. Thank you. I just want butter.
She likes a little tortilla with her husband.
Put as much as I want. Wee, wee, wee. There we go. Now I'm gonna taste. So good. Like, oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm gonna do that.
Bye guys.
We'll sit here.